Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths, and our chapter is square and square root and cube root. Okay, so let's see what is learned in this chapter. This is revision time because your exam is so close, so I will revise you the chapters which have we completed already completed. Okay, understand? Now see, square of a number. So what do you mean by square of a number? When a number is multiplied by itself, we say that the number is squared. Okay, understand? In other word, when a number is raised to the power 2, when a number is a rise to the power 2, we can say that the number is squared. Okay, if x is any number, the square of x is represented as x square, read as x squared. Okay, understand? Means अगर उस नंबर का पावर 2 है, so we can read it x square. Okay, the number is x and the power is 2, then we read x squared. For example, 3 squared is denoted by 3 square. We can denote it 3 square. Okay, understand? So this way we can read out. Okay, the square of number is the number multiplied by itself. In general, is if x is any number, then x square. That means what is the meaning of square? Meaning of square is the number is multiplied by itself. Okay, if we multiply, I talked about 3 squares. So what is the meaning of 3 square? 3 into 3. Okay, and what is the meaning of 3 cube? Means 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, understand? So we can write this way. Okay, understand? The natural number is called a perfect square number. What do you mean by perfect square number? So if it is a square of some natural number. Okay, understand? So student, a number is called a perfect square if it is a square of a number. Okay, now and we can see some property of square number. Okay, we observe that in square number the digit at the unit place are 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Okay, and not 2, 3, 7 and 8. Thus we can say that number having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at unit place are not a perfect square number. Okay, understand? Now what is our we learn about property number 2. If a number has 1 or 9 in its unit place, then it's square and in 1. Okay, and if a number has 2 or 8 in its unit place, then it's square and in 4. Okay, if a number has 3 or 7 in its unit place, then it's square and in 9. And if a number has 4 and 6 in its unit place, then it's square and in 6. Okay, if a number has 0 in its unit place, then it's square and in 0. Okay, understand? And if it square, if a number has 5 in its unit place, then its square is and in 5 also. Okay, a number which has odd number of zeros at the end is never a perfect square. So we can learn when the number is not a perfect square number, when a number which has odd number of zero means ज़ीरोस कैसे हों, ऑड हैं, तो वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. अगर वंस के प्लेस पर 2, 3, 7 और 8 है, तब भी वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ स्क्वायर ऑफ इवन नंबर आर इवन एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ ऑड नंबर इज ऑड. ओके, रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स. नाउ द number of digit in the square of an n digit number is either 2n minus 1 or 2n. Okay, understand? Now when any two consecutive numbers are squared, the number of number between these square will be twice the lower number. Okay, and what do you mean by Pythagorean triplet? A group of three natural number a, b and c is called Pythagorean triplets if the sum of square of two smaller number is equal to the square of third number. Means Pythagoras theorem क्या है? We know that a square plus b square is equal to c square. Okay, so what is the formula for finding Pythagorean triplet? The formula for finding Pythagorean triplet is 2m. फर्स्ट नंबर हो जाएगा आपका 2m, सेकेंड हो सकता है m स्क्वायर माइनस 1, थर्ड इज m स्क्वायर प्लस 1. Okay, understand? Suppose you want to find the Pythagorean triplet if m is equal to 7. So what is your first number? m is equal to 7 अगर हमें दिया हुआ है, just a minute. So first number is 2m, that is 14. m square minus 1. m square means 7 into 7, that is 49 minus 1, that is 48. And m square plus 1, that is 49 plus 1, that is 50. Okay, so your triplets are 14, 48 and 50. Okay, understand? So this way you can find the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, understand? And now and then we can say that the nth term of the series of triangular number is given by, अगर हमें कोई triangular numbers find करने हैं तो हम उसकी nth term कैसे find कर सकते हैं? n into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, understand? So what is triangular number? 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15. हम triangular number find कैसे करते हैं? 1 is 1. Okay, 1 plus 2, that is 3. ठीक है, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. These number are called triangular number. Okay, these number are called triangular number. Okay, understand? And how to find your triangular number? N into n plus 1 upon 2. This is the formula for finding triangular number. Okay, understand? Now triangular number property क्या है? If we add any two consecutive triangular number, we get the square of higher term. Okay, see, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3. दो triangular number, first is 1, second is 3, so we get the square of 2, which is the higher term number. Means जब हम 1 फर्स्ट है, 1 plus 2 that is 3, ये दो triangular number को जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो हम higher term का स्क्वायर फाइंड कर रहे हैं. ओके, सपोज 1 plus 2 plus 3 कर रहे हैं तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? 6. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? So when we add two triangular number, consecutive triangular number, we get the, see, 6, 3 plus 6, that is 9. 9 क्या है? 3 का स्क्वायर है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? So this is the triangular number property. Okay, understand? Now we can also see here, what do you mean by square root? The square root of a number is that number which when multiplied by itself give us the given number. Okay, understand? Now see, a natural number is called perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. Okay, means m is equal to n cube, then m is a perfect cube where m and n are natural number. Okay, number obtained when a number is multiplied by itself is called the square of the number. Okay, number obtained when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times is called cube of a number. Square and cube of even number are even and square and cube of odd number are odd. Okay, a perfect square can always be expressed as a product of pair of prime factor, and a perfect cube can be always be expressed as the product of triplets of prime factors. Okay, understand? And we also learn in cube, perfect cube of a cubic number is the number obtained by multiplying a number by itself 3 times. Okay, understand? For number with unit digit 1, their cube will also have the unit digit 1. Okay, same अगर हम 4 5 6 means the cube of the number with 4 5 6 9 or 0 as the unit digit, so we get same in the unit place. Okay, understand? So if we want to find cube of 4, so what is the cube of 4? 4 4 is 16 and 16 4s are 64. So what is the ones digit? Ones digit is also 4. Okay, understand? So this way we find the cube of any number. Okay, understand? So student, understand, the cube of number with unit digit 2 will have unit digit 8, and the cube of number with unit digit 8 will have unit digit 2. Okay, understand? Same, if the cube of number with unit digit 3 will have unit digit 7, and the cube of a number with unit digit 7 will have unit digit 3. Okay, understand? The cube of even number is even and the cube of odd number is odd. Understand? Now 1 and 8 are the only cube in one digit number. ओके, वन डिजिट नंबर्स में 1 और 8 ऐसे नंबर हैं जो क्यूब हैं, परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर हैं. ओके, द स्मॉलेस्ट क्यूब नंबर इज़ 1. ओके, 27 and 64 are the only cube with 2 digit number, and there are 125, 216, 343, 512 and 729. These 5 number are the only cube with 3 digit number. Okay, all the above are the respective cube of digit from 1 to 9. मीन्स हम 1 और 8 की बात कर रहे हैं. सो 1 जो है वो किसका क्यूब है? 1 का. 8 है 2 का. 3 का क्यूब 27, 4 का क्यूब 64, 5 क्यूब इज़ 125, 6 क्यूब इज़ 216, 7 क्यूब इज़ 343, 8 क्यूब इज़ 512 and 9 क्यूब इज़ 729. Okay, the smallest 2 digit number is 10 and its cube is the smallest 4 digit number. Okay, understand? Now the cube of 10 to 31 have 4 digit and they are under 10,000. Okay, 10,000 के अंदर कितने नंबर्स हैं? ओनली 10 to 31. और 32 से 46 के नंबर जो होते हैं वो 5 डिजिट नंबर्स में आ जाते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? द क्यूब ऑफ 47 and 99, 47 से 99 हैविंग 6 digit and they are between 1 lakh to 10 lakh. Okay, understand? The cube of 3 digit number can have 7, 8 or 9 digit. Okay, understand? So प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? अ नंबर इज़ अ परफेक्ट क्यूब इफ़ आफ्टर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन वी सी that the number can be expressed as triples of the same factor. Okay, understand? So we can say that they are perfect cube. Okay students, now what do you mean by cube root? Thus the cube root of a number is that number which when cubed give the given number. Okay, so cube of 8 is 2, which when cubed give the original number 2. ओके, सो 8 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 8 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 क्यूब. ओके, मीन्स 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. ओके, जब आप एलसीएम निकालते हैं और आपको 3 पेयर्स मिलते हैं, ट्रिपलेट्स मिलते हैं, सो दैट आर क्यूब ऑफ द नंबर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? Now there are some property also in a cube also. Unit digit of the cube root, यूनिट डिजिट जो हम देख करके बता सकते हैं क्यूब रूट की. अगर यूनिट प्लेस 0 है तो उसका क्यूब रूट भी क्या होगा? 0 होगा. ओके, यूनिट डिजिट 1 है, यूनिट प्लेस ऑफ द क्यूब इज़ 1, देन द यूनिट प्लेस ऑफ द क्यूब रूट इज़ ऑल्सो 1. यूनिट प्लेस इज़ 2, देन unit place of the cube root is 8, unit place is 3, then unit place of cube root is 7. ओके 3 और 7 में एक्सचेंज होता है, 2 और 8 में एक्सचेंज होता है, देन 4 पर 4 रहता है, 5 पर 5, 6 पे 6 एंड 9 पे 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 एंड 9 आर द सेम डिजिट्स. ओके मीन्स उसका यूनिट डिजिट पर अगर 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 है तो हमारा आंसर में भी 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 ही आएगा. Okay, understand? Unit place of the cube root. But if the number is 2, then we can get 8, and if the number is 8, we can get 2. Okay, if the number is 3, we can get 7, and if the number is 7, unit place is 7, then we can get 3. Okay, number of digit in the cube root. To find the number of digit in the cube root, we mark the digit of the cube in group of 3 starting with the rightmost digit. Okay, understand? And we also find the estimation method. Okay, understand? Now see here, the unit digit of a perfect square can be only 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. The square of a number having 1 and 9 at unit place and in 1. किस पर एंड होगा? 1 पर एंड होगा. ओके नाउ 2 और 8 एट द यूनिट प्लेस एंड इन 4, 3 and 7 at the unit place and in 9, 4 and 6 at unit place and in 6, 5 at unit place and in 5. There are 2 n natural number between the square of number n and n plus 1. A number ending in odd number of 0 is not a perfect square. Okay, the sum of first and odd natural number is given by n square. Okay, 3 natural number a, b and c are said to be form a Pythagorean triplet. A square plus b square is equal to c. Okay, if a square plus b square is equal to c, we can say that they are Pythagorean triplet. For every natural number m is greater than 1, 2m comma m square minus 1, m square plus 1 from a Pythagorean triplet. Square root of a number x is the number whose square is x. Positive square root of a number x denoted by root x. Okay, understand? The cube root of a number x is the number whose cube is x. It is denoted by root x. Okay, और स्क्वायर में तो आपको 2 नहीं लिखना पड़ता है स्क्वायर रूट में, बट क्यूब रूट में ध्यान से देखिए. क्यूब, व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ क्यूब रूट? हियर 3 इज राइटिंग. ओके, रूट एक्स मीन्स वी कैन रीड इट क्यूब रूट ऑफ एक्स. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? स्क्वायर रूट एंड क्यूब रूट आर द इनवर्स ऑपरेशन ऑफ स्क्वायर एंड क्यूब रिस्पेक्टिवली. Okay student, understand? If a perfect square is of an n digit, then its square root will have n by 2 digits. Okay, if n is even or n plus 1 by 2 digit is if n is odd. Okay, understand? Cube of the number ending with the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 and with digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 respectively. Okay, understand? So these are main things we can learn in these 2 chapters. Now let's see cube of number ending 2 and in 8 and cube of root of the number ending in 8 and in 2. Okay, understand? Now see example number 1. So which of the following is the square of odd number? So when we want to find the square of odd number, so we know if the number is even, then its square is even. If the number is odd, then its square is odd. So we can easily say that there is odd number का हमें देखना है, तो odd number कहाँ पर दिख रहा है? 361. So B is the right answer. Okay, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल हैव 1 एट इट्स यूनिट प्लेस. सो 1 कहाँ पर आ सकता है? 9 पर. ओके, व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 9? The square of 9 is 81. Okay, which of the following will have 1 at its unit place? Okay, अंडरस्टैंड. अगर हम इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं 19 का तो हमें 1 यूनिट प्लेस पर क्या मिलेगा? 1 मिलेगा. ओके, हाउ मेनी नेचुरल नंबर लाइज बिटवीन 18 स्क्वायर एंड 19 स्क्वायर? सो हाउ मेनी नंबर्स? वी नो दैट 2n, and where n is the smallest number. Okay, so 18 2s are 36, so our D answer is the right answer. Okay, see example number 4. Which of the following is not a perfect square? So perfect square कब नहीं होता? जब उसमें 2 7 एंड 8 होता है. तो 8 वाला कोई सा दिख रहा है आपको? यस, 1128. सो सी इज़ नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. ओके, अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कैन नेवर हैव द फॉलोइंग डिजिट एट वंस प्लेस. सो कौन सी डिजिट नहीं होती है? डी. 3 इज 2 3 7 एंड 8. सो 3 इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस वे यू कैन फाइंड द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, understand. See the questions carefully. Okay, complete this question. Take care of yourself. Stay at home and don't go outside. Have a good day.